Today we're taking a look at our new strap end punches, available in round and English point. Strap end punches are a great way to elevate your leather crafting work because it allows you to work more quickly with quality and consistent results. And lots of popular leather goods have nicely trimmed strap ends, like belts, watch bands, and handles on bags. And this not only looks better, but it also serves a purpose. Having a trimmed end, like on something like a watch band, helps it fit through hardware a little bit better, and the keeper. And you can, of course, cut these shapes by hand, but it is a little bit more difficult to get a smooth and symmetrical shape when cutting it by hand. And oftentimes it requires a little touch-up work, either with the blade or with a sanding stick or a burnishing wheel. And this still isn't quite perfectly symmetrical, but luckily we won't have that problem with our strap end punches. The tool itself provides the exact shape, so you can rely on it instead of needing really steady hands to make a good cut. Simply place the punch at the end of the strap, ensure it's aligned straight, and then make the cut by striking it with a maul. The result is a clean shape with no need for touch-up sanding, and all in a fraction of the time. Made of a durable carbon steel, these punches will last a lifetime as long as you use them on a proper surface, like a poly cutting board or a poundo board. Our end punches come in 6 sizes to fit common strap widths from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches. You can purchase them individually or as a set to cover a wide range of leather projects. And one thing to note about these punches is that the blade is actually slightly oversized. For example, this is the 1.5 inch punch, and as I put it right here on the mat, you'll see it does go just a little bit past the 1.5 inch mark, but that's because you don't want to end up with something like this where you don't quite make it all the way through to the edge of the strap. And you can choose between the English point or the round end punches, both available at Sailrite.com. Thanks for watching.